Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to be decorating my coffee bar for Christmas. So if you want to see how it turned out, just stick around and keep on watching. Before we get started, this video is a collaboration with Breeze with Me and Clean, and she does cleaning videos, decorating videos, some vlogs, some cooking videos, and also some hauls. So if you guys want to go check out her channel, she will be listed below. She is so sweet and kind-hearted. You guys should definitely go check out her channel. Hey guys, so I really couldn't find a sign that was related to coffee and Christmas, so I ended up getting this pillow from Target for only $5. Along with the stars that was also $5, and I decided just put it like around the shelf as a garland. So before I start actually decorating the actual cart itself, I needed to clean it up real quick, so that is what I am doing now. So this is when I start decorating my coffee area, and I actually made this 2-tier tray from Dollar Tree products. I should have made a DIY video of it, but I was too lazy to film, honestly guys. I'm gonna keep it honest. And I got this coffee mug from Target. Of course, I bought it with a broken handle, so I could not put it on top because that tier tray was not sturdy at all, guys. It is my first time making those, so I know what to do next time. Anyways, so that little container I actually got from Target as well. And of course, I break this cute little jar with silver balls because, you know, what, I mean guys, I always break stuff, so what's new? Anyways, I did this little DIY project, if you may call it, from all Dollar Tree products also, and I ended up putting some fake snow inside this container, and then eventually you guys will see me put the little silver balls that were all broken on the floor. I didn't want that to go to waste, so I ended up putting in that container because I thought they were so cute, and I am so sad that it did break. And I also used some Christmas ball ornaments and just put it in this container, and there you go. It's a cute little, I don't know what you call it, but I just thought it came out cute. I don't know about you, but I think it's cute. Anyways, I put some peppermints up in this coffee mug to, I don't know, I didn't have anything coffee related to actually put in this mug, so this is what I ended up just doing. So I ended up just decorating this tier tray with more Dollar Tree items, you know. So pretty much this coffee makeover was pretty affordable, honestly guys. But I ended up, like I stated before, I did run out of decor. Did I state that before? I don't know, but I did run out of decor. I actually got this cute little brush tree from Target as well, and that little gingerbread man from the dollar store, of course. Pretty much everything here is from the dollar store except for 3, 4 items. But yeah, guys, down here I kept it simple. This tree, sorry, that's not a tree, Chili, it's a house. I got that from Target Spot last year, and then I just ended up putting a polar bear, and that's pretty much how I decorated the bottom. Like I said, I ran out of decor. Anyways, that is it for this video and this, so-called Christmas makeover for my coffee bar. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys like how it turned out. I actually think it's pretty cute, honestly. I know it's not much there, but that's fine. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you have not already. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.